In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an account and add another account in Google Meet. This process is simple and can be extremely useful if you need to manage multiple accounts, whether for personal, educational, or professional purposes. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Meet homepage. Simply open your web browser and type in meetgoogle.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Meet landing page. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the familiar Google interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. This is where you'll manage your meetings and settings in Google Meet. Once you are on the Google Meet page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find your current profile icon. It's usually a circular icon, possibly with your picture or initials, indicating the account you're presently logged into. Click on this profile icon. This step is crucial as it opens up all the account management options, allowing you to see which account you are using and offering the flexibility to switch between different accounts. After clicking on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear showing a list of options related to your Google account. Look for the option that says Add Account. This is where the magic happens. Click on Add Account to proceed with adding another Google account. This function is particularly useful for those who juggle various roles or responsibilities requiring different accounts. When you click Add Account, you'll be prompted to enter the details of the new Google account you'd like to add. This includes entering the email address and password associated with that account. Ensure that you have these details on hand before proceeding to avoid any interruptions. Once you've entered the necessary credentials, click through to log in. Now the account is linked and you can switch between this and your existing account seamlessly. Whenever you need to use a different account in Google Meet, you simply click on your profile picture again and select the account you wish to use from the drop-down list. This ensures that you can manage meetings, emails, and other tasks without the hassle of logging out and back in, saving you valuable time. And there you have it, an easy way to add another account in Google Meet. Remember, managing multiple accounts efficiently is key, especially in today's fast-paced digital world. By following these steps, you ensure a smoother and more organized approach to handling all your Google Meet needs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to bookmark or share it with others who might benefit from managing their Google accounts more effectively. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.